Okay, you've just purchased your LRA-D1000. You have a button in your receiver. You're going to use this little tool to open up the button. You insert it in that little slot, push gently, and push back, and it pops right open. You're going to insert the little 3-volt battery that comes with it, and just replace the cover. Now, you're going to open up your receiver, and you're going to install the 3 C-cell batteries. One, 2, and 3. And you see the little light flash. Now we're going to program it. So, keep your cover open. This is your zone selector button. We're going to start with that. We're going to hold that down for 3 seconds until zone 1 light comes on. And the button on the right is your sound selector. So we're going to listen to some of the sounds, and we'll just pick one. We're going to go with that one. At this point, you push the button. You get 1 tone. Now you're going to push the selector button again and go through the zones until you're all done. And then you're going to push your button again. And you have successfully programmed your button to your chime.